some tomatoes that I have boiled, de-skimmed and chopped, and already put into a tin and placed the lid on top, obviously. We just place this on top of the already browned minced meat, coriander, various Italian herbs such as basil and thyme and coriander, as I've already mentioned, and oregano, of course. You must give a generous serving of salt and pepper if you don't want it tasting too bland. And the secret of my success in the kitchen is to always taste as you go along. If it tastes too sweet, and you get the crunchiness of the onion there. If it's too sweet, add salt. If it's too salty, what do? Make it sweeter by adding some sugar. Or if Carol is not watching, add chilli, which is always quite funny, watching her big red cheeks blossom into a big tomato. Now, as you can see here, why don't you come a bit closer to actually see what's going on? As you can see here, the flavours are fusing into a melange of different aromas and tastes. So, as you can see, the sides it's looking slightly dark. Now, you do want that, but you also want it to be tomatoey as well. So we're going to add some tomato puree. Where is the puree? Some tomato puree. If you're a good cameraman, you would have paused it by now, wouldn't you? Not just watching me going in and out of the fridge like a moron. Huh? Where is it?
I don't know how to pause.
I can't hear you. You lost your voice.
Oi, fat boy. Pull out cupboard.
Hmm?
Pull out cupboard.
There we go. Delicately taken out of the jar there with a sharp knife. Without a little bit of danger, there's no fun in the kitchen. What was that noise? So, being in the ghetto, you will hear a few screams and then in the next door neighbour's garden. That doesn't matter. We carry on. This is boiling too fiercely here, so we put it down to the simmer. No need for the lid, because that will make it far too liquidy. And we just want to burn off some of those liquids here, not add to it. Nicely mix that. I believe we need some more salt. Now let's see, what does it taste like? Is it too tomatoey, too salty? Important to check, not just to give your guests a nasty surprise at the table. So as you expect, the vegetables are slightly too crunchy, so they need a rest. They'll just rest in there, and some added salt. Get out the way, get your belly out the way. We have some hot chilli, so we'll add some into here. When the camerawoman says stop, we will stop.
Stop.
Excuse me?
Stop.
Oh, okay. There we go. You can take the sea salt if you like. or just any old salt. Avoid table salt, it's not quite good enough. Crunch it, because we're not having a seafood dish here, we need larger grains. Should be okay. Let that just sizzle away. And then for part 3 we'll be taking you through the spaghetti.